in color. Sorry, you change the face. So I just click on one face like this. You can change the color here, the color of the person. So yeah, then you go to the ear. How you want the ear to look like. You can even make it bad rather. So I just make it bad like this. Then you go to the mustache. Let's leave it like this. Then you go to the eyeball. Then you can change it, select it like anyhow you want it. So go to the spec. So you can give him the kind of spec you want. So let me just give him this one. Okay, I guess this is dope. Then you go to the shirts. These are the available shirts for now. So if you want a new one, you have to download it. It's not free. So let me give him this one. Okay. Then you go to the trouser. Let me just give it like this. You go to the shoe. Let me give it like this. You select the kind of shoe you want. Then you go to the voice here. You can add your voice notes. Just click here. But if I do it, it will affect the screen record here. So the only available voice now is American voice. Just click the American voice. Then you name it. So you can type any name you want here. So let me just name it Dan. Okay. Then you click on done. So it will load. It will take few minutes. So just allow it to load. So it's done loading. Now you can see the Dan we just created. So just click on plot. The plot is just the scene you want. Then create new plot. It's loading. So it's done loading. Just click on start by adding scene. The first one here, just click on it. Yeah, it will bring scene. Then click on the scene space here. It will give some set of scene. It will display. It's because my network is not good. So you have cafe,